Here's something a little interesting that some of you might find. We've got this LG radio here, that's the frequency, commercial FM. Yep. And the aerial is up there, you can just about see. Made a little metal dipole and just put it on top of the shelving there. And I've been informed by my mum that she's been listening to me chattering away on the CB. I didn't believe her, so she went in, used my rig, and just gave a quick bit of waffle so I could hear. And blow me, it come over here. So I thought I'd show you guys as well. See if we can rig something up here so I can point it. Right, there we go. Right, hello, 1, 2, 3. Coming over 101.5 FM. Look at that, isn't that weird? What do you all reckon then? I believe I know who that is. Yeah, no, I've actually got it listening in the background. No, I'm just going to stop the video because I've just been recording in the kitchen. Don't worry, I can't hear you, but you can hear me. Back in a minute.